Did you make a leprechaun trap? Wow! You've got some coins to attract the leprechaun. The leprechaun will go up the ladder and onto the lever. The lever lifts the ramp and the car rolls down, releasing the wedge that is stuck underneath the ramp. And the pulley drops the pot of gold that is upside down onto the leprechaun. Wow, Odie! That's so awesome! Your trap has all sorts of simple machines. Let's learn more about the simple machines you used. Simple machines are tools that make it easier for us to do work, such as moving objects. They are used to move large loads with much less effort than if we did not have the machines to help us. This leprechaun trap uses 6 different simple machines: inclined planes, a lever, a pulley, wheels and axles, a wedge, and a screw. The first part of our trap is the ladder. This is an inclined plane. Because of flat surface, the ladder is lower on one end and higher on the other end, making it easier for the leprechaun to move up onto the trap. Next, the leprechaun steps on a lever. A lever is also a flat surface that pivots on a point. This pivot point is called the fulcrum. The leprechaun acts as the effort that pushes down on the lever and lifts the car that acts as the load on the other side. The ramp is the second inclined plane in our leprechaun trap. Again, an inclined plane is a flat surface that is slanted, with one end of the flat surface being higher than the other end. The car has 4 wheels and 2 rods running through the center of each wheel called axles. The wheels and axles make it easy for the car to roll down the ramp. At the bottom of the ramp, tucked underneath, is a wedge. A wedge has a pointed end and is used to push 2 objects apart. A screw is also a simple machine, which we added to the wedge. A screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a rod. The inclined plane makes it easy for the screw to move up and down. On the screw, we tied the rope from the pulley. Pulleys consist of rope and wheels and make it easy to move a load up and down. In our leprechaun trap, the load is the wedge and screw. The effort is the pot of gold that is upside down. When the car releases the wedge, the pot pulls down on the rope, trapping the leprechaun. Can you hear a leprechaun coming? Let's hide! Woo! Woo! We caught him! Now let's look inside! Great job, Odie!
Odie's Art Corner.
Odie, did you get a drawing from a friend? Wow! What a great drawing! Let's see who sent it! This amazing drawing is from Vihan. Vihan is 7 years old and lives in Mogliano in Italy. Thank you, Vihan, for your awesome drawing! You can send Odie your drawing by tagging Odie on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, or by emailing Odie a copy of your drawing. Don't forget to subscribe to Odie's channel and watch more videos like the one you just saw.